Hello everyone, welcome back to StockX. In this video, I am going to explain my trade analysis in which I made 20% return. If you are watching this channel first time, please watch all uploaded videos, and I have created so many videos here, more than 30 plus videos I have created, and I have created some playlist here, and you can just go through all playlist and you can watch all the videos. And if you are interested in such videos, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now I am going to explain my natural gas trade analysis. In this trade, I took entry at 192.4 and exited at in this candle I entered and exited at next resistance level, that is 194, and my trade was got executed at 193.9 something, and I entered in this trade because there is a narrow range of CPR. Considering this, I was planning this trade to enter when it got crossed the range of the CPR, and you can see here, and there is also a moving average 20 that is got supported to dynamic support, and there is a stochastic momentum also reached 40, and also there is an increasing in volume. Considering all these things, I took entry in natural gas trade, natural gas future, January future, and exited at 190 3.9, and later it went up to 198. I also kept my target at 1 up to 198, but I exited from the orders directly when it was getting rejections at the resistance level. Here I am explaining my another trade did analysis. I took trade in gold beneath Feb future, and I entered in this trade at 51,561 around in this trend. I entered in this trade because it got broken its today's high and getting dynamic support to 20 EMA, and I kept my target to around 300-400 points, but as it getting rejections from the top, and it moves sideways sometimes, and later it went to 51,630 640. I entered around here 630, I think 631 632. I exited from the orders directly. It gives around 700 to I think 700 plus profit. I took this small profit into my pocket. As getting there is a rejection, I don't wanted to take much risk. I took another trade in IGL, Indraprastha Gas Limited, and in this trade I entered around 533.4 534 point, wait a second, I think as 524 I entered in this candle. When I was observing this candle was down. When it suddenly moves up, I thought this will move at least 5 to 6 rupees. Considering this, I kept my target to 529.5, around 6 rupees was my target, and I was thinking this will hit, but when I was observing, it was getting too much of rejections from the top side. So when I exited around 526, I think later it went up to my target level 529, but I entered with 250 quantities and exited it around a 1 rupees target. I think when it was getting rejection from the downtown top side, I exited in this candle around 524 point something, and exited directly from the orders, and in this trade I made around 300 rupees profit. And in this trade I can just cross check also, there was getting rejection from the top side, so I thought it may become a risky trade, so I exit from the orders directly. Now you just go through this my completed order details. I took gold mini future and natural gas and IGL. In IGL I took with 250 quantity and natural gas with 1 lot and gold mini was with 1 lot. And you can just cross check my trades, executed trades, and here is my net profit. I made profit 710 rupees in gold mini and 309 in IGL, and in natural gas 1750 rupees. Overall I have made 2769. It's almost 20% return in which my capital, and it was good trade. Hope you all understood my trade analysis.